Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your region on Expedia account. So first we're going to go to our Expedia app. You can find it both in Play Store and App Store. So now since we're logged in, we're going to click on the account section. Then next we're going to scroll downwards until we find the security and settings option. So next we're going to click on it. So here, there's the region option. So you're going to click on it. So there's a lot of Expedias on different regions. So depending on your preference and accessibility, you guys could click on the one you want. For example, I chose the UAE one. So all you have to do is click on save. But it's going to sign you out to log in again. So that's how you change your Expedia region. It's going to sign you out, then you're going to sign back again, and it's going to change the whole scenario. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.